Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Kevin Sykes and we are your Fort Worth Chiropractors, and I'm here with Miss Faith. And Miss Faith has a heck of a history of how she got introduced to chiropractic many years ago. Faith, tell me a little bit about what happened so many years ago.
Okay, years ago when I was 2 years old, because I had so much trouble even playing as a toddler, my mom decided I should go to chiropractic to help hopefully correct my spine, because I am asthmatic and I have that asthmatic curve on my spine.
You've got a scoliosis, and it's pretty gnarly. It's pretty wild. So think about this. What would your life be like if you did not use chiropractic?
I would be crippled up and confined to a wheelchair.
We don't want that. No. You've done great over the last few years of allowing us to take care of you. And we definitely need to keep that up so that we keep you going. So let's go ahead and take a look. Go ahead and go face down. Let's see how everything's looking today. I know you already mentioned that your lower left side is really bothering you.
Yes.
And that's where that curve is pretty nasty.
Yes. And when the humidity's up, my asthma gets worse.
Oh gosh. Go and scoot up a little bit for me. You can go a little bit more. There you go. Okay. Alrighty. Yep. It's all right here.
Yeah.
Is that tender?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Well, everything's torqued pretty good down here, so we're going to straighten this out as best we can. Get you some relief in these joints. That okay?
Yes.
All right, this is always the good one right here. Hang on, let's get this table right. Nice, good job. Really good there. Doesn't take much.
No, but that little much can help a lot.
It's just you can't do it on your own.
No, that I don't know how.
You don't want to. Just a little push here. Good. Yeah, you had that accident so many years ago.
1985.
Yeah. And what happened again?
It twisted my spine almost a complete inch to the right.
Well, didn't something fall on you?
No. I hit a car. A pickup.
Oh.
I went to sleep at the wheel of my car.
Oh, that's right.
Which was a mistake and a half.
Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear about that. Well, you're here. And you're enjoying it, right?
Yes.
Just let it relax. Just let this relax. This is really tight here. Good. Good job.
Yeah. I feel relief there.
Oh yeah, I mean that's always been, your whole left side is the challenge, and it's because of that curve, and we need to keep that under control for sure. Just one more here. Last one. All right. Come on up. You might be a little taller.
Oh.
So just moving right there, can you tell a difference?
Yes, it feels a lot better. I don't feel a lot of any pain at all.
Great.
Thank goodness.
I really love to hear that. It's always so much fun being able to work with you. So here, don't forget your glasses. And just want to go ahead and say thank you for coming in and seeing us today. And let's keep this up. Let's keep you feeling young. All right?
Yes, that'll always help.
All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm Dr. Kevin Sykes, and we are your Fort Worth Chiropractors.